Hi guys, so today we're going to make some natural deodorant. My youngest daughter is, or no, my oldest daughter is 8, and she's getting to the point where she needs to wear deodorant. And I've kind of been telling my husband this, but he didn't want to just buy regular deodorant off the shelf, just precious kids and, you know, the things. And so he's also an overprotective daddy. So he didn't just want to get like a regular deodorant for them to wear, so all natural stuff. So we're going to make deodorant today. It's going to have just what you kind of expect. So coconut oil, shea butter, and we're going to put it together. I got my double burner out, and so we're going to use that. And got my double burner. And so we're just gonna, my friend gave me some directions. So we went to like a friend's birthday party, and a lot of the kids know each other pretty well and stuff. And my friend kind of confirmed that my oldest had a little bit of a, you know, scent. And my husband, every time I mentioned it to him, he's just like, no, he just dismisses it. And my friend has older kids. I think our oldest is like 19. So she has a little bit more mom experience than me. And she was like, yeah, my oldest had to start wearing deodorant around this time. And, and then she said that one of her kids the other day smelled like a hobo who had rolled in an onion patch, which is very specific and a very like interesting imagery. And it just made me laugh. So she sent that to me in a text, and it made me laugh. And I was like, yeah, I gotta make deodorant for her. I've got to do this. So it's been a little bit, but so I'm going to take that on today. We're going to make natural deodorant together, and I think it should be a lot of fun, and it will probably last. And this isn't necessarily a cost thing. I mean, deodorant isn't so expensive. Like other products I've made myself, like I did like detergent and stuff like that I made myself. That is a cost savings. I guess this is a little bit of a cost savings, but it's more like just my kiddos. I want them to have natural ingredient deodorant as opposed to some of the other things that are available. So we're gonna do this, and I think it'll be a lot of fun, and hopefully you guys can do it at home. And yeah. All right, so it's a pretty chill recipe. So we have coconut oil, baking soda, cornstarch, beeswax. You obviously, you don't have to buy that much to do it. This is a lot. Shea butter. I thought it was saying something else. Okay, so all the things. All right, so let's get started. Oh, and then the scents. So we're gonna do a jasmine and vanilla, and they smell really nice together. And then we're also going to do a tea tree oil as well. And then I couldn't find a container. I was looking for an old deodorant. My most recent one is a spray deodorant. I am probably 1000% going to start using this as well once I make it. But anyway, so I'm going to use this little container, this little plastic cleaned out container. Actually, it looks like I need to clean it out more. But anyway, and that is just like that. And until I get like, you can buy deodorant, like just, you know, like bottles or whatever you want to call it. You can buy those on Amazon or other places, probably just on Amazon because I don't know other places that have that. But today we weren't able to find one, like an old one or whatever, so we're just going to use this for now. So, okay, so we're going to do half a cup of coconut oil. This is a little bit of work because you have to kind of scrape it out. We're just going to put this in our double burner. Now, I don't think you have to have a double burner to do this. It's just something I have, so I'm using it. I mean, it's useful for that, you know, but you can also make a double burner by just putting like a pot of water and a little, you know, like a small pot over it. But I'm just using it because we want it. Okay. All right, so we got half a cup of that. And now we're supposed to do half a cup of shea butter. Oh, close this guy up. This is my giant bucket of shea butter. Again, you obviously don't have to have these amounts. I have this stuff because we were trying to do an Etsy store, and now we're just kind of trying to figure out if it's where we want to put our energy. Because in doing more research, I'm like, that seems like more work than it's worth. So I don't know. We'll see. I'm passionate about lots of things, and I'm definitely passionate about showing you guys cool stuff. And I don't know if I'm as passionate about, hey, let's, you know, figure out the algorithm. So there's my shea butter of Etsy, like, because I already have enough trouble with the algorithm of YouTube. So I don't know. So I guess it just depends on where you want to put your energy. I don't know what energy is going to be best used doing that. All right, baking soda. Half a cup of baking soda. Hopefully have. My husband tried to make, you guys know what oobleck is, he tried to make that for the kids. It's like a, sort of like a slime. And it takes a lot of cornstarch. And I bought some for this activity of making deodorant. I don't know if he, well, it looks like that. Okay, half a cup of cornstarch. We pretty much used all our cornstarch. All right. So now, 10 to 20 drops of tea tree oil and other essential oils. 1 tablespoon of beeswax. That's it. Okay. And then tea tree oil and whatever. That's like so stinking easy, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and other essential oils. It's like 7 ingredients. That's just so easy. Okay. All right, and then, so I need a tablespoon of beeswax. All right, there's my beeswax pellets. Okay, 10 to 20 drops of tea tree oil. Okay, so I have some tea tree oil, and I think this is a dropper. All right, I'm gonna move you guys over. So that's my double burner. There's a random paintbrush. All right. My double burner, my kitchen, my oven is sometimes clean, sometimes not clean. I locked the controls. Okay. All right. I'm gonna go cancel. We're gonna do front. Okay, so I have to add, so basically that's all the ingredients. That's the coconut oil, that is the baking soda, cornstarch, and beeswax. And then I'm going to add tea tree. So I'm going to go ahead and actually turn that off. I'm going to add water to this. I'm going to do like a medium heat, I think. Maybe a little bit less. Okay. And then I'm going to put this above. Yep, so it's resting in there. Okay. All right, so I'm going to do 10 of the tea tree oil drops. This is Maple Holistics, which I actually bought a shampoo from them that I liked quite a lot. So I'm kind of cool. I didn't realize it was a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, that's good. All right, so now I'm going to add a little bit of jasmine. And I don't really know. I'm going to add, I've added essential oils and stuff before, and it just didn't really, the scent wasn't very strong. So I think I'm going to add about 20 of each, maybe even more. So it's easier to count like this too. So this is the jasmine, so I'm going to add like 20. Okay. Yep. And I'm gonna add a few more just for good measure because I want it to actually smell like. I don't want it to be too strong, but in the past I haven't added enough. I'm just gonna add that. I just really don't want to. I don't want to worry about it. I want the scent to smell nice. And let's add 20 of the vanilla. I'm just gonna add the rest of the thing. This goes. All right. Vanilla jasmine. Smells nice to me. Or this sounds nice to me, I guess. Okay, so I have this little rubber spatula thing. So I'm just gonna, now it's obviously in a big old block and it's getting everywhere. I have like a tiny whisk. I think I'll use that on this too. Since it's not really doing anything yet, I'm gonna let that sit. Okay, so I hope all of you out there had a nice Thanksgiving. We did, and followed up by a lazy 4-day weekend. So, I like this thing because it has a little weight to it, but I don't know that I feel like it's doing much. I'm just going to scrape this off. It just looks like, I don't know what it looks like. All of the substances are white. All right, so turning it up a little bit seemed to work well. So I was a little bit below medium, and then I went up to medium. I mean, you guys probably know how your oven works. You know. But yeah, definitely don't, I wouldn't say start it high. That doesn't seem like that would be the best idea. Okay. Look at that. I definitely don't want it to be lumpy. It's definitely kind of lumpy. I have a little whisk, but I wasn't able to find one, so I'm bringing out the big guy. Just to break out those little clumps. I keep going through utensils. That seems to be better already, though. Guy. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna use this gun. So I have this container. I don't know. It's like a craft container. Hopefully it'll be fine. I'm gonna use this for now and then buy a plastic one probably, but oopsies. Oopsie doops. Okay. So I'm just going to I guess I'll just put it on the oven because I really didn't want to burn myself. All right. Well, let's just move this guy. Like so. So you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna actually fill up 2 containers. Yes. There's one deodorant. Alright. Should do this one too, and hopefully it's okay. It's plastic. Hopefully it's gonna be alright. I hope. Oops. Okay, well that's all I got. I don't know for the rest of the way, but I don't have anything else to put it in as of right now. Deodorant that you're used to seeing. Alright. Yay! Yay, our deodorant's kind of cool. Okay. Hi guys, I'm out in the office here and it's a little bit cold, which is why I'm wearing my jacket. We don't have heating. Well, we actually have a old school oven in here or whatever. I forget what it's called. A wood burning stove. There we go. Wood burning stove. We have one of those in here, but it's not on right now. So, but yeah. Anyway, so that's why I'm wearing my jacket. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I would love for you to try out the deodorant. My friend has been using it for quite a while. I mean, years and years. So she really likes it and it works well for her and her kids. So I'm excited for my oldest to try it. My youngest will probably try it as well just because, but I don't think she quite needs it yet. But anyway. But yeah, I would love for you guys to let me know if you try it out and if you like it. I also will be doing Vlogmas, so I'll have a schedule up. It's not going to be 25 days, but it's going to be 12. So, so 3 or 4 a week, I think it was, or whatever. I already figured it out. So anyway, I'm excited about doing that. I love Christmas, and so I'm pretty excited about doing Vlogmas. I hope you guys will check it out. But yeah, it was pretty cool and pretty quick and easy. So anyway, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. All right. Bye.